I already know because it's funny because anytime we travel, like everybody has their like isms because I know we're gonna get Mexican. We already talked about that. And
in and out.
And in and out.
Y'all don't have to.
No, trust me, you ain't got to convince us not to go.
You with him now too, huh?
I told you the burger was okay.
Guru.
It was fine.
I told you, to me, it was not. It was not. It was just not it.
The
Well,
fries.
that'd be me
Nah,
going by
I will
myself.
say this.
The
It's a-
fries were horrible. Like that's the
thank
one
you.
thing I will. The fries they had.
That's why they got jumping in fucking Thousand Island and shit.
I
But
don't like that. I don't eat them.
The burger was okay.
No, there's I told him there's a burger joint, Burger She Wrote. We're gonna go. You know, it's a bunch of spots in LA.
Have y'all heard of Fat Burger?
Yeah, I heard
You still
that.
you still eat gelato?
Yeah,
That's his thing. So I already know we're gonna do that.
The Marathon Burger spot opened up 2 days
As I
ago.
said, it just opened up. Yeah.
Check them out.
So, oh, you never had my smash burger,
Huh?
You never had my smash burger.
Your smash burger?
Yeah.
Pause.
That's the pause of the day so far.
Yeah.
Like, you talking about like you cook or like a spot you go
no,
to?
I actually cook.
Oh no, I am.
Yeah, no.
No, I haven't had it before.
They gonna jump. Cool. Go
Oh,
ahead
you
and
cook?
Go ahead and act, jump in.
He ain't never cooked when we went out of town. He cooked when y'all last time y'all went out.
It was okay.
See, he gonna downplay it because
Yeah,
he don't want to give me too much props.
Hey, look.
about my chicken.
Them chicken wings.
Oh,
Them
man,
chicken
how many
wings was
times-
fire.
What's the first thing he brought?
Hey,
My smash.
hey,
burger.
How
wait,
many
look.
times have I had your wings though?
Them
It
wings
ain't-
was fire.
Huh?
And then they was
No, the
they
wings was great.
They was hot too. So you see the steam coming up on
The
them?
wings
out
were
the grill.
phenomenal. Like he knows this
Yeah,
already.
those were some
though.
of the best fried chicken wings
I've had his
ever
wings.
had.
How many times
His
have I had
fries
your
was
wings?
outstanding. His burgers was outstanding. My wings was outstanding.
What did Marvin make?
Marvelous
Breakfast.
Marv made the breakfast.
Oh yeah, he
Hey,
did
breakfast
make
like
breakfast.
3 days in a
breakfast.
row.
Yeah, he
Man,
did.
he woke up.
He was cooking like a housewife. Yeah,
His ass was up.
he was cooking like a housewife in the 50s. He made a whole loaf of toast.
With a complete breakfast, you could take
Bro, I
on
feel
any
like eating
challenge.
all this shit is early as fuck. I could have been sleeping another
That's
30
exactly
minutes.
why breakfast is the most important
Who
meal of
told
the day.
you this shit was important to me though? Nigga, I got a 5:30 in the morning. Nigga, I got a whole fucking day ahead of me. Nigga, I ain't got time to wake up and eat a buffet of fucking food just to be eating.
It's for energy.
It's not
You
gonna help
need
me with no fucking energy, nigga. What the fuck? You very inconsiderate.
just eat the fucking eggs, Joshua. That's
I
all
ain't
you
eating
gotta
shit
do.
because
And
I
you-
don't need to fucking eat right now, bro. Where the fuck is my mom, nigga? Why are you at my house?
Breakfast is important. You need to eat because you need your
How the
energy
fuck do
for
I
that
have
day.
waffles, pancakes, toast, and a muffin, along with a bowl of cereal? What kind of energy
What if
you
you
think I
what if
need?
you have to outrun a wild animal?
Who the fuck got wild animals? You got wild animals? I ain't never seen a wild animal.
Wild ass
motherfucker.
animals are everywhere, and the only way you will survive an attack is if you eat fucking
I ain't
breakfast.
know that S on your chest is for stupid, nigga.
That's it.
Like, nigga, what the fuck you doing? Hey, what?
Shout out your fucking breakfast.
Hey, it was fire though.
breakfast.
It was the best way to start the day.
Yeah,
He had the coffee going.
Yeah, he had the
yeah,
breakfast.
yeah,
banging.
yeah.
He had the breakfast banging. But we all
Yeah.
kicked in. But his burgers was good. I ain't gonna be no hater like him.
That was okay.
I hate y'all.
But he double greased his fries. He fry them, take them out, pat them down, put them back in grease the second time. I had never had them like that.
No, you double. I ain't never had like that either.
It was good.
Good man.
No, yeah, it was
You
good.
gotta,
I'm still mad
I'm
'cause
thinking you
Marvin-
double frying. They ain't gonna taste like Andy Caps.
hey, you. Nobody said had a oil up that high. Yeah, exactly.
Hey, get on toenails.
Fresh shit.
Yeah, you throw it at somebody and they stab them like.
What you gonna cook?
Oh man.
What you bringing to the- what you
I
bringing to
cook
the
breakfast.
table?
I cook.
you
I've been told I have the best pancakes, crispy edges. So yeah, I do breakfast.
Yeah.
My man.